Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Hope you had a great day. Couldn't be as great as we did trading wise, maybe as great life wise and others, but for stock trading, yesterday we nailed BLPH, Boliferon. Today we nailed MYO. All I know it's called MYO. No, it's called Myomo. Looked up the news on it this morning. We've just had a tremendous, incredible trading day in the Mojo room, and the demo traders in the challenge that accepted the challenge had record days across the board. They're really getting used to trading on the platform, really getting used to hearing the picks getting called out in the room, really getting used to seeing a lot of green on the machine. Like here, demo 55s in Maya with 100 shares up 6 cents, and this demo 59s and 450 shares up 10 cents. They're just doing magnificently. They just sold it over Heinz 8, I see down there. And we'll do some trade reviews today. We'll go over some crypto. We'll go over some swings. We'll go over some swag. It'll be a nice afternoon. Right now, you're looking at the TradeX platform with the firm PTG, Pioneer Trading Group. That does and handles all the Mojo traders and gets them set up with the platform and the capital tool to trade with. And some pretty good things happened on the home front. ENPH, huge winner this morning. Huge winner. You got this top one right here, ENPH, $56. Let me show you the move, the kind of spectacular move it made this morning. So I called this baby out through Heinz, 47. Right there. Okay, see what it did? It went 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 55, 50, 56, 56, 50, right there. And we have a trader in the Mojo room that's up huge today. One of the demo traders has made $1,305 trading MYO today and INO. And let's see how he did it listening to the Mojo. Now let's see if he's off the reservation. It's today's date. There's the time. All right, so we started out here listening to me when I came in on MYO. And he bought 100 shares at $6.75 and then sold them at $6.67 a couple of minutes later. He came back to it at $9.11 at the same exact mark. In the meantime, he got filled on some Tesla. He tried a Heinz, $9.1897. Sold it at $9.1870. I'm wondering if that ever did go through. Let's take a look. TSLA. Tesla on the open. Right here, first bar. $9.23. Oh yeah, you missed a huge one, dude. So that last thing went to $9.23. You would have made 5 points on that. But hey, you know, you're just practicing in the pre-market. These won't even count really, you know what I'm saying? Did a quick trade on SPC. Let's see it really at the open. You bought 676, 677 right there. You bought the ENPH when I told you right there at 45.68. You sold some at 47.70, 47, 47.80, 47.50, 47.50. Then you bought it back at 55. Damn. And sold it at 55.80, and then bought it at 55.80. And sold it. You bought it at 55, sold at 56.50. Bought 500 MOJO, you sold at 662. You bought some Beyond, a 126.46. That's not a Heinz, maybe a mini Heinz. Sold it for a loss. Then you sold it almost break even. MOJO again, 820, 815. Sold 822. Tesla bought 918.30, sold 919.56. Good Heinz trade there. Made back the one from earlier. Great trading. And that trading produced $1,305 in profits for the day. Trading. That's a nice job. That was a trade review from one of the guys that's doing that demo challenge. That was on $60,000 worth of capital. This is what he traded on right here. Demo 48. Congratulations. And if you think I'm bullshitting, here's screenshots of Demo 48. Subscribe to my channel, guys, so when all my videos go live, you get notified. Now, guys, what I'm about to show you is real. This guy accepted the challenge. Just started. Showing him the power of the MOJO and how much you could make trading with a small account. Now, this kind of account right here is a $3,000 start account. So right here with $3,000, you're going to get right here $60,000 in buying power. And that's after the first month. See, the firm knows that 90% of all traders that blow up in the first month. So if you can make it past the first month, you get 20 to 1 buying power up to. So that's, let's say, 60,000. So let's just make it believe with 60,000. Let me just delete that because I got to use the screen, bro. So right there, you got a daily auto close of $500. He's trading with 60,000 total. Max buying power per position, 30,000. So you can only use 50% of your buying power for any one trade. So on $30,000, he made $1,305.40. His max loss per day right here is $500. His open shares is 1,000, and his max per position is 500. So you can have 2 stocks, and you can have 500 shares maximum of each. You could trade an odd lot, so when you're selling, you can fraction it down. And we've enabled pre-market and post-market because with this account, you're able to trade that. And all the stocks you can't trade on a lot of these other platforms with the CFDs, you can trade with this technology. Demo 48, great job with $1,305.40. Want to see another one? Let's see what he did. $244. Right here, only trading the MOJO. So this is demo 58. right here. This is a new demo I'm going to show you right here, 58. Here it is. All right, so let's see how you did here today and how you made $244. So this one guy made $244, and here's how he did it. At 9:30 when the market opened, he bought MOJO like I told him at 675 like the other guy. He bought more MOJO for Heinz 7, bought more for Heinz 7, and sold at $7, 702, 708, and 708. This right here is an A plus trade, bro. This guy took MOJO University, took some amazing notes, executed according to my voice and what I told him exactly, with positive expectations, and knew exactly what to do. I then said rebuy at stopping station 677 to 72, and he did. And then he bought more at 7 and sold at 710. Amazing job. I give that an A also. Then he rebought as I told him at stopping station 680 and 92, sold at 94 and 7 again. He gets another A. Then he bought at 685, 89, 60, 60, and 55. I said, don't worry, this is where we're waiting for, was 55. So we just got a little trigger happy. No problem, no problem. Then he bought at 65, sold at 67, 74, 73, bought at 87, sold at 91. Um, 702, 702, this one, hold on. Start up at the top right here. Then he bought right here. He sold through Heinz 8. Then he bought here, sold a break even. Then he's buying at 819, 810, 798. Oh, this was a bad trade. And you bought it set. This was a bad, and then you sold here. All right. So this was a bad trade right here. You went back to the well and dipped too many times. Here you did a Heinz trade on Vive. Didn't sell it through. Okay, but overall you made, without that mistake, you would have done a lot better. You did really good in the beginning of the day. Great job. Demo 58. Good job. So guys, I think I'm going to get some swag going for the MOJO. I'm going to get some of these towels, golf towels, but with the MOJO logo. Instead of the OGO, be the MOJO. You know, and I could take out I could just use that and take out the O's, and that's MOJO kind of, you know what I'm saying? So I get one of these. I get you a hat just like this. Get some more of these hats right here. See these flex hats right here? See that? Right there. Beautiful. See that? Flex cap right there. These babies. Show you right there. They be 20 bucks. Flex hat, home run black right there with the Pro Trader Bootcamp and the MOJO logo on there right there like that. Hook you guys up. Absolutely. Just like I do with the stocks and the Bitcoin Oh, yeah, dude. Big time, big time, big time. Absolutely. So let's go, I want to see like let's do a roundup, man. I want to check one of those babies out. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's check out one of these oldest videos that I have on the Mojo channel. How to play stop orders, guys. Ooh, that's a good one, probably. Wednesday after the close update. My first one was right here on 213 newsletter. Wednesday. Friday, 3-1 newsletter update. How to maximize every trade educational series, dude. Right there, an hour long, bro. 6 years ago, only got 122 views. What are you kidding me? Dude, should totally watch that. Oh, here's the Big Wave movie. This is when UVXY and all these other ones come in for the big market correction coming right here, guys. Look at this market correction right here. See it? Uh-oh. It went all the way up. Now we're going down. Oh, boy. Boom. See that? That was crazy. So let's see what we got here. What other ones we got? How do I get out of that thing with the big screen? Here we go, like that. Go back. How do I go backwards? Bum, 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 bum. Go. I'll have to come back to it. Like this. There we go. Told you. Mojo knows how to do technology, dudes. Mojo knows how to do the tech. Let's pick one 5 years ago. The 626 day trade room recap. $0.08 profit right there. Rebuy it at 2107, filled at 4, sold at 24. So by 9:35, already clipped the 20 center off this. 38 cents, 58 cents. EGN, we're taking an entry 80, 85, 90. We would double it if it went higher through 4. And UNXL buying at 805. So right here is a Heinz trade. I've got 3,790. Let me just add this. So right here, guys, you got a Heinz. Look, AGEN entry 380, 85, 90, 95, double at $3 Heinz. See that? Doubling at $3 Heinz. Look at this one, 2090. Yeah, it's good, man. Average flat. Anything higher, I don't. Yoku buying it at 22.98. 22.77, 83, 88, 90. Positive expectancy that's going to go through 23. Sold half at 23.11. See that, dude? Positive expectancy, guys. 20. Sold half. 23.33. See that, dudes? Excuse me. So right here, positive expectancy on Roku to go through 23. Sold half 23.11 to 20. Sold more at 23.33. Roku flat, great trade, dude. See that? That's freaking awesome. 920 on Tesla. Tesla's going through 920 right now. So that's pretty cool. The old videos, guys, they're so spot on. It's pretty nice, man. I've been to 3160. Look, there's level 2 on GoPro going. Last time we saw it was 45. There it is at 31. People still in the room got a little bit of that. Sold 3/4 to 7/8. Look, here you look what in the room here. Check this out. You got Heinzing 2. Glue is 450. Incredible action. What stocks we got? We got anything in here I could notice? Mac. This is Neuro at 199. What do you got? UVXY is 20. STEM. Dara $1.25. This must be my swing picks, guys, right here on the right. Vivis at 5. Vigil. Remember Vigil? VGGL, Vigil. Vivis. Xenopit. NVAX right there at $4. NVAX. ZGNX at $1.50. Dara at $1.25. Stem cells at $2. NQ Mobile. WaveX. TXMD. IFMK. Pretty cool, man. Looking at the old days. What else we got up here on the NASDAQ gainers? You have Glue. TVIX. SCTY. Vodafone. VOD. MDLZ. Plug on the losers. MU. Microsoft. The Dow. We have anything on the Dow? Nope. All right, but that's pretty nice, man. Looking at the old days. Right here. This is the 626 recap for the swing right here. You got ASTM at 4, ICLD at 6, WaveX at $1.91, Atos Genetics, CLNE Clean Solutions at $10.97, Newell, XGTI, here's NQ, a lot of NQ, and Blocks. Remember those picks? Dude, that's the day trading room, what we traded in the room on 529. Trades 223 to 243 without a loser. That's pretty cool. This 121, all trades, 147 winning trades in a row. Amazing. Who does that? To have your boy Pro Trader Mike sign. Look, here's where I used to keep the trades for 2014. Check this out, boys. 11 o'clock. Check this out. Mojo don't F around. For 2014, I did 1,455 trades in 2014. That's pretty good. And you could have viewed every single one of those. So I'm actually, this is big data right here. Did 1,455 trades, 1,357 winners, 93% win rate, 273 trades a month with an average scalp of 14 cents. The swing trades for that same year were 328 swing trades, 299, wow. 299 winners out of 328, 92%, 64 trades average per monthly bought and sold, 4.98% trade percentage. I was on StockTwits at that time. Pro Trader Mike on StockTwits. Pretty cool, guys. Room's done for the day. See you tomorrow. Free Pass Friday, guys. Amazing. Free pass. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Happy times. Hope I don't get blocked just from playing those couple of notes of that video. That was amazing looking back at the Mojo Roundup from the old days, seeing the same Heinz trades, the same plays, the same numbers over and over. Sweet. Nice 2014 portfolio right there. Sweet. I'm going to put that into the room, if you don't mind. Those are the swingers. And them are the dayers. Them be them day trades in 2014. Here's be them swing trades in 2014. That's pretty damn good. Not a lot of people can have that kind of record right there. You know what I'm saying? Bang, schnab, get rabbit. So ENPH, man, made a huge move for the traders, and guys made big money on a $56 stock. Garmin, GRMN, they really didn't trade that one today. Nah, they really didn't. SPC, all over the place we traded today. Just took a dump from 36.36 to 35.20. Dollar drop. Boom. Virgin, 63 million shares like a virgin. Ain't no virgin no more. She ain't no virgin no more. Like a virgin. Woo! Humped for the very first time. Like a virgin. And the Hulk beats smashing down. All right, let's move to the next big stock of the day, MYO. This thing was a beast. Big money made in the Moshish room. 751 stopping stations, pretty good, guys. Highs 889. It's nowhere near a Marabuzu, but look at this move that we did right here. That's the open. Open, homie. Can you lift that? That's a big barbell. Flip it the other way, man. That's heavy. That's heavy volume. Now, let's just say, imagine you had 1,000 shares. Imagine you had 1,000 shares. Let me show you what would happen. Because if you saw the pre-market show, we stopped. So if you came into the Mojo room, we'll see if you can lift that baby. You ready? So good morning, everybody. Good morning. It's 9 o'clock. You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Check it out. Guys, when you log in, new traders to the room, if you watch this tonight, you can't log in as a guest. You got to log in. Towels are great for the sweaty hands. You got to log in with your name. Please. Thank you, sirs. I could see when you log in as a guest. I could see when everyone logs in and how long they've been in and what they've been doing. So right here, let's start the day. 9:30. MYO, $7. That's what we're going for. It's right now about $6.90. So that's why everyone printed $6.75, remember? 9:30, you ready? 680, 685, 690 right there. See it? Add at 95 only. That's if it goes to 695. So you're listening to my voice. You're going to want to have at least 1,000 shares to go through that Heinz number. So if it runs 30, 50 cents, you make $300 to $500. If it runs 30 to 50 cents and you got 10,000 shares, you make $3,000 to $5,000. You got 20,000, okay? You make $6,000 to $10,000. Let's see what it does. It goes 704. 704. See? 709. So we're going to sell half. So if you have 10, sell 5. You got 1, sell 500. Doesn't matter. You got 20,000, sell 10,000. You could do it. The volume's 1,000,004. And 1 second later, it's 1,000,005. Trading hundreds of thousands of shares. There's 719. So we're selling right here. Done for the day. Super trading in 4 minutes. Let's see the badass for today. Our fantasies of the most revealing peepholes into who we are and what we think is awesome. No matter how out there and ridiculous they may seem, they mean something to us and usually represent our biggest and best versions of ourselves. Dude, the Heinz trade play has won since 2012. Prove to me in the MOJO challenge you're going to do a Heinz trade that doesn't work. Prove it. The best version of yourself will come out. You'll make money. You'll prove it. A system, a glitch in the market that seems to work every time. Done at 9:34 a.m. Super trading. MYO awesome. But it's not over yet. 724. Sick pick. We're going to rebuy 677 to 82. See, we just sold it. See, it's 724. Some people may not have known to right there. The wave went up just like I showed you in the video this morning, right on the plug. We bought it down here, right around here at 724. Where it is now is about up here. You're like, oh my gosh, I'm the best stock picker. Look how smart I am. But MOJO is selling right there. So if it comes back down, you're going to be in despair and despondency down here, 50 cents lower. Because if you buy 1,000 shares at 724, what's your real risk that you'd put in? 50 cents. I'd risk $500. Most people $300. So you want to buy it at 690 if you can't wait. But MOJO can wait, and MOJO puts it in at 677 to 82. It's just a number that I like right here. I've been doing that for a long time. It's a system that I teach. So we're on the bid buying here at 670. See? Look. Take some of that. I'm telling you guys how to trade. You're entering. It's traded 2 million shares. It's a lot of volume, man. Take some of that. Okay? SPCE. We're in that one too. You love that stock. And there's TDOC. My TDOC at 118, 119. Okay? There we go. Selling again. 704, 5, 6, 10, 13, 15. Money in the bank. You have 10,000 shares at 677. You sold it right there at 707. You just made $3,000. 1,000 shares, you just made $300, man.
Well, yes.
It's awesome. Guys, prove me wrong, man. Come and take the challenge. I dare you. I still haven't anyone wanted to trade against me, man, in the first half hour. Badass trading. Badass. BLH is now the MYO. 677 again. Tap it again. We just sold it at 707, 719, 720. Now we're going to do it again, the same wave. So right here, we're on the wave again. We bought here. Look. We bought here. We sold here. We bought here. We sold here. And now we're going to get ready to buy it again. And then when it goes up right here, we're going to sell it again. And we're going to sell half. If it comes down to here, you're completely out. But if it continues to go up higher, you could still ride the wave. Do you see this pattern, guys? This is the MOJO right there. That's the MOJO. I'll save that for the room. I'll save that right there. That's a good image right there. You guys should have drew that with me. It's 677. Here we go. Half size. Ready? And ENPH. There you go. There's your 55, 55, 67. There's your run on ENPH that Mojo's calling for Hines right there. With a screenshot and the move up. Can't lose. Can't miss on that one. I'm just calling. It's a skittle. Boom, boom. You filled right there on 60. You filled on 80. Skittles, man. Don't miss the Skittles, guys. Okay, it's been tested. Every time I do that in the room and I put out 3 consecutive numbers, the stock goes higher. It's been journaled now 500 out of 500 times. Great trade. TiVo, $8, moving up. There it goes, 807, 810, 814. Can't stop the mojo. SPCE, Heinzing 33. There it goes, 33.40. Can't stop the mojo. There's 815 on TiVo. Sell it. Made a great one. We got a runner like Renteria loves on this little stock right here. That was the Vive. He likes those little ones. And then right here, MOJO. MOJO is going to do a Shibba Dibba. If you know what MOJO it does, see right here, this is what MOJO is going to come into. It's called the Shibba Dibba. You got to get out your towel. You're going to have some sweaty palms. And you're going to buy that shit at 655. You're going to do a Shibba Dibba down to 651 to 55 stopping station. That's where we want to buy it. Right here, see? 651. That's where we want it. Philly knows. Philly's taken the course many times. If you become a member of the MOJO chat room, you get my MOJO Day Trading course for free. You know where the stopping stations are. You learn the Hines. You learn everything. Batman did it. Philly did it. He did it right here too. Right here, this guy. Look, you're going to be like him, dude. I'm like Tebow, man. Solid player. Big time. There's 650. Let's get filled. Let's take their pain. 651 area. Kev knows. Kev knows. Brand new to the room. Been taking the course. He knows this is the place to stop. Area 51. I love it. It's going to be a new learning board. For stopping station is Area 51 learning board. I know what to do there also. Thank you so much for that. That was a good idea. Area 51 learning board for stopping station 50. We'll have its own learning board in my new course. I wrote that down. Thanks, Kev. Nice. So ENPH is still going, guys. NSPCE, it's out of control. I'm on my game today. I'm on my game, as David says. Right here, awesome trades, 665, 57.50 on ENPH. Look at that move. Show me the money. Okay. Kev made $189, dude. Nice, dude. Batman made $287. Casper, $382. Randy, $423.32. And the list goes on. Ooh, look at this trading, ENPH. Beautiful. From 45 to 56 in the MOJO room. Do you trade like that? I could show you exactly how to do that, guys. ENPH, 1,250 profit on 30,000 capital. Who you trading with, guys? You're wasting your time in some competition that's rigged and traders are jumping at home run hits that you have no chance on winning solid plays with. Dude, if you followed me, you may have had a chance with that, with MYO from that morning run and BLPH yesterday. So you got David, who made 646 on MYO, 283.72 on spec, and 350.72 on Vive. That's some beautiful trading right there, bro. There's money in the bank. Give you a holla holla. Pro Trader Mar, nice job. 874 today. So let's just see here, guys. Let me just take up, $800, $700. Let's see, 874 times 240. That's not that bad, man. You know what I'm saying? You need to subscribe in my channel. Show me what you got. I'm always on fire, dude. Always. Let's see what I got here for you. Oh, I got something good for you, dude. So here's one of my learning boards. Right here. Okay. So right here is one of the things I teach in Mojo University. It's called... Now, you may have seen this before. You guys have seen this before, right? The charts on how... Because they probably... I've been putting this out for a long time. You guys, anybody seen that before? Anybody seen that one before like that? Anybody seen anything like that? Anybody seen anything? Yeah, because you've been in Mojo University, Mar. That's why. But what about other people? You already been there, my man. Who else, guys? Who else? Pro Trader Key? Yeah, you in Mojo University, man. Who else? Huh? Come on now. You seen it, right? All right. Well, how about this then? You haven't seen this. Yeah, you saw it last night, but you know the real definition behind it. Everybody knows this. Tell me if I'm correct. Now, what do you want to make? $100 a day? $500 a day? That's $120,000 a year, guys. $2,000 a day is $480,000 a year. This is a really good mark right here. Let me ask you a question. What's different about this that I put out that all the other traders don't put out? That they don't teach you that I teach you? What's this, dude? What is it that I do with the same thing right here that other people have used? With these amazing goals. How do I teach it different? What do I do that makes it a value and not a repetition? Do you have any idea? Let me fill you in and tell me if I'm correct. The number one thing is this is an outcome goal. And what we're going to do is set the process goals, the reverse engineering to hit the 480, reverse engineer it with the process, the step-by-step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consistency of the process with the self-belief and patience to complete the process to get to the outcome goal, which is the ultimate of the 480. So I'm teaching the process, which is the system, which is back-tested by Dr. Gio Valente, who made up social cognitive theory, which I've developed for day trading and traders. How to remove the minutia, the blinks and the buttons, and increase the focus on the task at hand that only lasts a couple of seconds, and how to deal with that inside the brain to maximize the trade accordingly. That's what I do to teach you, separating myself from everybody else just with that learning board. So I've got 1, the process. 2, Dr. Gio Valiente. Who is he? He's Tiger Woods' sports psychologist. He's LeBron James' sports psychologist. Rory McIlroy, the top echelon of performing athletes in the world, go to him from mental power and advice. And the results speak for themselves. So I've taken his, which is high athletes and trading, similarities on that high performance, very, very similar across the board with patience, self-belief, and positive expectancy. And the fact that I know variance and I've been one of the best poker players online in the world, proven in my courses, you can learn from those three things with journaling to fulfill your outcome goal to make 487, 29, 60, 2.4 million per year, or all the way down just to $100 a day if that satisfies you, and you're only 18 years old, 20 years old, living in an apartment, just getting off the schneid. This is fine. If you're married with children, you need to be in this range, making 240 to 720 a year consistently in the MOJO through the process goal, back tested by other people, proven through social cognitive theory and variance and self-belief and positive expectancy. It's a down-ass proven system that nobody can deny. And this one learning board that everybody else uses just to show you this doesn't really break down the nitty-gritty on how you really need to step-by-step execute and reverse engineer that like MOJO does. So if you come and become a member of my room and take the challenge, you get this course for free. So thus you can learn the power of the MOJO and bringing up your game to the next level. Thank you. Thank you. Did that sum it up pretty much correctly, guys? What I did that sum it up? That's some 100%. Right there, that I summed that up pretty much good like that, huh? Like you learn in the course, Fonty? Huh? Pretty good, right, guys? Under promise, over deliver every time, man. Absolutely. Perfectly. Thank you so much, sir. Absolutely. That's how we do it. Guys, I have one demo left. I had two today. Someone jumped on the one. I have one demo left to train this month for February, and there's only even 2 weeks left. So go ahead and grab that challenge, guys. Go ahead. I got one left. I'd love to see who's going to become that guy. I can do a day trade review on you tomorrow. I'll send you the platform right here. I'll send you my layout. So all you have to do is go File, Open Layout. You'll have the same windows all set up, just like me, with the same indicators and everything, guys. I'll coach you to profitability while you're taking the course for the next couple of days. Get the platform, start paper trading, go through the trade reviews. What else are you going to do? Be in a trade room with over 1,000 people where everyone's grabbing at the same small cap stock on trade ideas? Guys, look on YouTube every morning. 90% of all the people doing the morning pre-market show use the same trade idea scanner. It's the same 5 or 6 gap stocks that are up. They're all front running it. Thousands of traders can't get in and can't get out. Getting in is easy, but getting out is nasty. Let me show you. Let's do some math. So right here, you have 1,000 traders in the room. 1,000. Let's just say 30%, because I want to overpromise and underdeliver. Underdeliver, overpromise. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to say 50% of the people go in on the trade. Let's just say 30% go in on the trade. 300 traders. And the stock is usually $2 to $8 a share. Let's just say in that range. And let's just call it an average of 4. They all buy 1,000 shares minimum because you can't make money. Some are buying a lot more, some are buying a lot less, but 1,000 shares. So you have 300 traders at 1,000 shares. 300 times 1, 1, 2, 3 is 300,000 shares. Okay, 300,000 to buy. 300,000 to sell. That's 600K. In volume, take the 2,000 shares, which is probably more normal because a lot of guys buy bigger on these stocks, especially on the open, and you've got 1.2 million that need to trade just for you. And like we saw this morning on that stock, it traded 1.4 million when we were doing it. So it's virtually impossible to fulfill all that with the lag that's happening with TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, and all these other ones that people are complaining about in the room that are down and not working because they have trouble fulfilling all these orders that come in at once and giving you like a normal kind of price. So it either halts the stock or it just gives you a terrible, terrible fill. Or you get stuck holding the bag and you're on the wrong side of that MYO trade. Where's MYO? Right here. So here's MYO on the open. So Mojo bought here and sold here. Your moderator called your buy right there on the open. He got in right here. You bought here. It went up so damn fast. One bar. See that one bar right there above the big one? And it flashed down and then it got crushed. So it came right back down and lower to where you bought it, and it stayed there. And it did nothing. Okay? So you lost. So Mojo buys here on the circle, sells there on the X. Buys here on the circle, sells half on the X. Sells the rest here, buys on the circle, sells here half, sells the other half here, misses this completely, comes down, I'm not in it again. And that's it. And it went back up here the time. $12.15. And it did a green giant. So at $12.15, it made its move back up again. Good day today in the Mojo Day Trade room, guys. It's direct access, yes. This is a direct access platform. You press the button, boom, you are in, dude. You press that button, you are in. Right here. There's two buttons on this platform, guys. Market buy and market sell. That's it. That's it. If you really have patience, this is set on limit right here. Limit. If you have patience and you want to sell on the ask, you just take your mouse, you hover it right here in the level 2. And let's say you want to get out at 768. Just click 768. It'll put it right here in the price on a click. And then just click this button and you'll go out as a pending order on the ask. And once it goes through 768, you'll get filled. And then you can limit down and ratchet down your share position. So if you want to only do like 100 and you can put it on ARCA, you want to go ratchet it down and sell like 100 you can go like this and click 68. So now you got it sell, you click this and then change it right here. Take a penny less, 78, then the 79. Go ahead and click there. And then 84. There you go. Click sell. And then 89. Click sell. And then 94, you flat. I'll sell the rest of the position. And then you're going to rebuy only on a market order buy. After you're flat, you'll reposition this right here with your shares. 500. And when it goes 94, 95, now you hit this buy right here and you restart the Heinz all over again. So if you do that strategy like I just showed you on a $7 to $8 stock, this is the 8, here's the 7, and here's the ladder. There's the 7 rung, the 8 rung, and here's the 750 rung. Okay, so if you buy right here at 697 for the Heinz, and it runs up, you're going to sell half here. You're going to, at 7 in a mark I teach, you're going to be flat right here. You're going to rebuy here, so you miss this. You're going to rebuy here, and you're going to sell here, here, here. You're going to be flat at 794. And then you rebuy at 97. So you're missing 3 cents here. And you're missing 3 cents here. So on this whole dollar, by being safe and breaking it up into 2 parts, you're only missing 6 cents. So to be in the entire trade blind, which is hard to do because you don't know which way it's going to go up and down, you can either do that, or they say, hey, look, break it up into 2, miss 6 cents, but capture almost the entire dollar. You'll say, okay, sign me up. That's how I teach you to trade in the courses in Mojo U. No one else does that, guys. Remember that. Better ask somebody. Another great day in the Mojo room. Thank you, Bruce. Let's see what we got. So we got Mr. Adelman right there. You know how long he's been with me, guys? Bruce Adelman. See that guy? That's him right here. Bohan. Sam? He's been with me since 2000. Want to see? I'll show you. Check this out. He doesn't mind that I show you. So Bohan, can I show? Can I show? So right here, this is how long Pro Trader Bohan has been with the Mojo team. You could see he's connected right here. You could see him in the room. This subscription started on June 30th of 2014. 6 of 2014. And June 30th, this is 2 of them, of 2014. He has 2 of them. One for the day trade, one for the swing trade. It's now 2 of 2020. Why? I deliver every day. JDST, guys, reversal on gold. Gold's up a bunch ass, dudes. JDST reversal. Let's take it now, man. End of the day turnaround right here. Kicking ass. Mojo JDST long right here. Let's take it. Big bid. If it doesn't hold, we reprice. He may not get filled. Let's check this baby out. Look at this. Solid down here, man. We get a nice little turnaround on JDST. You know, gold is at a all-time high. Gold is. I'm gonna even tweet that. JDST, it's worth the risk here. Work the risk reward. For a dead cat bounce. I like that right there. JDST. Yo, did you know Uber is gonna go down? You know why? 41 bucks. You know why Uber is gonna go down, guys? You know why? Because they got some big things gonna be going against them. You know why that's gonna be going down, dudes? I'll only answer it if you have, you know. I got 3 people watching. One of you guys has to want to know. Yeah, you guys in my room want to know. What about on Twitch? Trying to find the numbers. Found it. Yeah, man. I got you going on, Kev. I got you creative. So Uber's gonna go down, guys. Did you know? And I'll show you another fact. Right, hit me Google this first. All right, so check it out. Did you know that in New York City, they only have 13,500 and a taxi drivers licensed? You have to be like licensed, man. Licensed. You know what I'm saying? And what's happening is Uber and Lyft are a big, huge share of all the traffic in the major cities now, because there's no regulations, no licenses, and anyone can be an Uber driver. Those days are going to be over, dudes. Look what they're doing to the cities. Right here in this study with the transportation, San Francisco, 12.8% of total vehicles are Uber. In San Fran. In Boston, 7.7% of all the vehicles are Uber drivers. Washington, 6.9. Chicago, 3 and it's getting higher. LA, 2.6. Seattle, 1.9. So the traffic and the congestion is ridiculous. And they're taking all the business away from the legal people that need those jobs. So Uber's going to come down with some big old time regulation, dude, because of what it's doing and how it operates, man. And Lyft also, and there's another one. So check out that information, guys, as a possible ramification of down the roadness. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Look at how it's going down now. Everyone's shorting it. Look at Uber. It's coming down now, big time. That under 41. Everyone's shorting it now. Look, penny pincher 4103. It's going lower. Look, I got hedge fund managers, guys, that love my advice. They may be like, dude, I'm gonna short 1 million shares right now. Maybe 500,000 to 250,000 entry, 250,000 more by the end of the day, and then 500,000 more tomorrow, man. On the dip down, and they're taking JDST position down here at 827 stopping station. Look, 4101 penny pincher. Told you, 4101 going under 41, dropping like a heartbeat. Look, dropping like a heartbeat now. Mojo's got the short on Uber with the hedge fund managers, bro. Look, she be dropping. Oh, yeah, Mojo. Tesla's 910, dudes. Are you freaking kidding me? Dude, Tesla's freaking 910 again? Get the hell out of town. 944 high into that high bar. Went 985 that one day. 968. Holy crap. Dude, that was a $10 Heinz. This thing started at freaking low of 900. No. Up 51 points. 52 points. Let's see the open. Where'd that baby open today? At 900. That's it. Yesterday, that thing was much lower yesterday. So there you go. What do you think of that information? You like that Uber? You like that other information? Dude, who's gonna make the drug, the coronavirus first? INO, NVAX, AMD, Codex, INO. Which one, man? You buy one of each, right? You gotta buy one each. You gotta buy a little NNVC. You gotta buy a little NVAX. You gotta buy a little ACHV. You gotta buy a little AMD. You gotta buy a little Codex. You got a little bit of INO. And then you got to get some of that face mask apt with a little bit of lake. You got the whole gamut. Whole gamut, man. What's going on Twitter? Do I have... Yeah, I got another 100 followers, boys. 52.9 thousand now. People love the mojo. I'm just like Donald Trump on Twitter. When I tweet, people love it. 52.9 thousand now. JDST, look, worth the risk reward. People like it. I'm live right there. Look, the Mojo Challenge. It's not impossible. It is possible, dudes. That's possible, bro. Jump on that, baby. Oh, I got a awesome call here. Hold on a second. Let me put you on mute here. Hold on a second. Nice. Nice trading today, guys. So yeah, which one's going to be in the spotlight first is going to be quite the thing. You know what I'm saying? Guys, all I got to say is people don't accept that challenge or what I got going on. You're silly, man. You are silly. Look at Uber below 41. Here it comes on the drop. 40.95. Told you. Told you, Moj. Mojo even shorts knows how to do that. I know how to do that. Good info. Thank you. Welcome Dave Trader to the room today, new guy. Yo, Bat, you need a freaking avatar, bro. Get one of them, man. Let me help you out with that, dude. I don't like when my guys don't have an avatar. It means, you know, you're going to be here for a while, dude. You have to have an avatar. Who else is here? G-Man. G-Man left. He sent me an invite to my own room. Banned him. All right, guys. Good job today. What else are we looking at? 345 into the close. What do we got? Little TV down $1.11, 39.24, up and down, up and down. Tilray was the big move today at 17.50, up $1 on Tilray, guys. Picked in the room at 17.50 today. Want to see? Right here, come up into the room. Just go into the top bar, do a search on Tilray, and press enter. And right here, you'll see at 10.51. Right here. Tilray 17.50 right here. I'm going to lunch. I want you to keep an eye on two things. One is my DGLY swing pick, which is beautiful today. DGLY high is a 165. It's 150 now. And Tilray at 17.50. Now the high on Tilray is 18.54. And I picked that one over CGC and Krone today. Krone went up 4 cents. CGC hasn't gone up anything. Guys, there's not 2,200 people in here. It's Alan again, and Bama, and Bohan, and Brandon, and Cat. My same peeps, guys. Become one of these guys. Make money every day in the Mojo Day Trade Room. Attempt that. It's a good challenge. Once you do it for a month, 2 months, 3 months, it becomes much easier to do for years on end. And there's no commissions anymore on trades. So paying the $149 a month just to be in the room and get the picks and be part of everything, dude, you spend that in a day with the Ameritrade with the commissions in the old day. It's a month. So come on, guys. You're spending thousands of dollars a month on commissions. You never hoot and holler. Now you can have that opportunity to get free education and join the Mojo Day Trade Room. So that's it, guys. $50 on you guys. The cost for Mojo Traders is $39.50. 700 shares Mojo's got stashed away. It's 50.50 minus 50 is 11 points times 700 shares is 7,700 profit on that sucker. You guys, 50-50 from 700 shares at $39.50, 7,700. Yeah. Beautiful. All right, guys. Great day. So tomorrow morning, I will see you all. I showed you some amazing information on today's show. Showed you the process goals and how we do that. The traders that have been with me proof since 2014. That process outcome education, spot on, superb. Hope you learned something. And that's it, guys. So be there or be square. Be here, be the man. You're over there, you're square. Here, you're the man. So be here, be square, be over there. Come on now, do the right thing. JB's got a vid today. We can catch the close. Wakeboarding, Noah Flegel. Oh, look, JB. He's another Jason Bond, dude. The founder of Jason Bond Picks right there. See that? Easy is good for me because I have millions of students and all I do is buy the picks before them and then give it to them. And now I do options because that strategy sucks.
Hey, what's up, guys? Noah Flegel here.
Hey, Noah. What do you got? Let's see you go. Look at that glass water. Nice. His knee's all banged up too. He's smooth. But I don't like the boats. I like the cables, the wake, the cable. All right, guys. See you tomorrow, guys. Peace. Take it easy in the room. Thanks for sharing your day with me. Thank you, everybody, for sharing your day with me. Really, really appreciate that. And that's it, man. That's what we got going on, man. So all I gotta say, let me see. Oh, I moved it here. One picture I'm looking for. Right here. This is what I'm looking for. See it? Yeah. That's what I'm looking for. Right there. But I think I had a something. Let me see. Check out my videos. That's going to open up there, guys, when the thing's over. So I got some videos that are going to pop up there, like my best ones. You could subscribe in the circle. Follow me on Twitter and Facebook, and subscribe to my channel, guys. So listen, peace. Keep it profitable. And I'll see you tomorrow morning for the pre-market show. Show you what's hot, what you can make a huge amount of dollars on as a possibility if you're a decent trader. Peace, guys. Later. I hate that one. I'm going to delete this one. Found it finally.